Hi guys, let's eat ramen. So this is my lunch today. This is spicy noodles. Ramen. So let's start.
Let's start eat. So ito pala yung kinumbine ko. Seaweeds, kimchi, yellow radish, sunny side up egg, then noodles, and rice. Ito pala ay Korean rice cake. So yun na nga, tapos na tayong kumain ng pananghalian. Hindi lahat naubos ko, pero yung yellow radish naubos ko. Tsaka yung kimchi. Ayan. And then yung sunny side up egg. And then yung rice hindi ko naubos. And then pati din yung Korean ramen noodles. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Mwah!